Welcome to the Weekly Bat.
Welcome to the Weekly Bat for the week of June 20th to June 26th, 2020. Kicking off the week with an official blog post, Brave's research and development team unveils Themis, a novel privacy by design ad platform that requires zero trust from both users and advertisers. This decentralized protocol further improves upon the current bat-based ad ecosystem. Before we begin, please bear in mind, Themis is primarily a research effort for now and does not constitute a commitment regarding product plans around Brave Rewards. The white paper introducing Basic Attention Token, or BAT, was released mid-2017, and since then, BAT has been used by millions of users, advertisers, and publishers, each using and earning BAT through the Brave browser. It has been a long ride since 2017, and we're very proud that BAT is acknowledged as one of the most successful use cases for decentralized ledgers and utility tokens. In line with these goals, Brave's research team has been working on a decentralized and privacy by design protocol that further improves upon the current BAT-based ad ecosystem. In this first post in a series of blog posts, we present Themis, a novel privacy by design ad platform that requires zero trust from both users and advertisers alike. Themis provides auditability to all participants, rewards users for interacting with ads, and allows advertisers to verify the performance and billing reports of their ad campaigns. In this blog series, we describe the Themis protocol and its building blocks. In the next post, we will present a preliminary scalability evaluation of Themis in a deployment environment. Up next, we have a blog by Brave's Dr. Johnny Ryan. California privacy rights act to define and limit, quote, cross-context behavioral advertising. A court decision on Friday, 19 June 2020, makes it highly likely that Californians will vote on the California Privacy Rights Act, or CPRA, the successor to the CCPA. A decision at the Sacramento County Superior Court cleared a bureaucratic hurdle that would have delayed a referendum on the California Privacy Rights Act for 2 years. The act will now be voted in on November 2020, as planned. Polling conducted by Mr. Mac Taggart in late 2019 shows that 88% of Californians say they will vote in favor of the ballot initiative. Only 4% say they would vote to oppose it. Up next, Spotted in the Wild. Brave inserts shipping to Newegg customers. For a limited time only, Newegg orders will include Brave shipping inserts. 250K Brave shipping inserts will be included in orders shipped from Newegg and include a link and a QR code for Newegg customers to download and experience a new internet with Brave. Newegg Inc. is the leading tech-focused e-retailer in North America, with a global reach into more than 80 countries in Europe, Asia-Pacific, Latin America, and the Middle East. Brave Ads users may recall receiving ads from Newegg while browsing, or may have spotted their sponsored images on Brave's new tab page that ran in the United States. Try Brave Ads today and earn BAT tokens, see ads curated just for you, and get access to exclusive deals and offers from our advertisers. To opt in, go to brave://rewards. Up next, Brave Rewards updates. The first update we have for you this week is a hot fix for Android users. Some people have been affected by a bug that decreases their wallet balance or that drops it to 0.0 BAT. But we are here to let you know that a hotfix has been released as of version 1.10.99. This is from the post that the support team released about this issue. We rolled a hotfix on 6/25, that's June 25th, just the other day, that will automatically restore affected users' BAT balances in Brave Rewards. The hotfix will be applied in version 1.10.99 and will restore lost BAT automatically. If you were affected, please keep an eye on the app update and check your Brave Rewards BAT balance a few minutes after updating. You can check for available app updates by looking in the Google Play Store on your device. There is an exception though. If you've ever made a tip or auto contribution to creators with your Android device, you will see your BAT restored starting next week. If you were affected by this bug, downloaded the hotfix, and it restored your BAT, please write in our thread and let us know that the issue is fixed for you. We thank everyone who was affected for their patience and would like to extend special thanks to those users who assisted us in investigating the issue. Sincerely, the Bat and Brave team. Of course, the link to where you can provide feedback for us is in the Weekly Bat blog post. Next, I wanted to bring your attention to a mega thread we created this week on Reddit. Some users have experienced YouTube ads not being blocked recently. We've already rolled out one hotfix for this on Android and on desktop, so please check for app updates on the Google Play Store or in Brave://version. But if you're certain that you're on the latest version of Brave and are still seeing ads on YouTube, you can help us by providing the following information. The first thing to do would be to provide your Brave browser version number. You can get that at Brave://version. And let us know which platform you're on, like Android, macOS, iOS, PC, etc. Next, you can go to Brave://components and check Brave Ad Block Updater for status and version number. It should be version 1.0.616. Finally, the last thing you can do if you have a chance is to open up a private window in Brave, go to YouTube, and see if you notice YouTube ads playing there. Your help and feedback is always super appreciated, so thank you. This week in Sponsored Images. This week, you can find images from the Home Depot, Bybit, Upland, and Crypto.com in Brave's new tab page. Home Depot is the latest brand to join our growing list of new tab page sponsors, which includes Verizon, PayPal, Newegg, Western Digital, Chipotle, Khan Academy, Crypto.com, Tezos, and much more. The Home Depot is the largest home improvement retailer in the United States, supplying tools, construction products, and home goods services. Brave Creator Spotlight, in partnership with Everipedia. Our featured creator of the week is YouTuber Michael Gu, aka Box Mining. Want to learn more about crypto and blockchain? Well, podcast host, YouTuber, and cryptocurrency educator Michael Gu, aka Box Mining, has you covered. His channel, Box Mining, has over 200,000 subscribers and over 12 million total views. Also, fun fact, Box Mining did an interview with Brave CEO Brendan Eich back in 2019. We've linked that in the Weekly Bat blog post for you in case you want to check it out. Client updates. This week, the Desktop Nightly channel progressed to version 1.12.54. The Desktop Dev channel progressed to version 1.11.78. The Desktop Beta channel progressed to version 1.11.77. The Desktop Release channel jumped to version 1.10.97. And the Android Release channel grew to version 1.10.99. Stay ahead of bugs and benefit from all the latest updates and fixes by keeping your Brave browser updated to the latest version at all times. To update your browser on desktop, go to Brave://help. On mobile, if you don't receive updates automatically, you can manually update your Brave browser app from the Play and iOS app stores. Brave Team Tweets. Brave's head of marketing, Des Martin, links to an article by 9to5Mac titled, iOS 14 will let you change your default email and browser apps. And then Des writes, you will soon be able to set Brave as your default browser on iOS. That's exciting stuff. Someone on Twitter tweets, ever since the protests, the US protests, began, I've been thinking a lot about location data. Why do so many apps want it? And why is it so valuable? Today I finally stumbled onto the answer in some 2016 dev doc. Turns out location isn't just a matter of latitude and longitude. It's income, interests, political learnings, etc. To which Luke Mulks, Director of Business Development at Brave, replies, quote, enable location services versus, quote, provide your location. It's the little things, always. News you should know. This piece is from the Week in Ethereum News newsletter. The death and rebirth of privacy. With much of the world homebound in the midst of this global pandemic, more and more of our time is being spent online, within the digital world of the internet. Each day we connect with our loved ones, conduct our business, keep ourselves entertained, and watch the chaos unfold around us through little rectangles of Technicolor light in our living rooms and offices. But do we know who's watching us from the other side? While we innocently search, post, watch, share, and communicate with one another in many forms, behind the scenes, our every move is being tracked, cataloged, and analyzed by the very platforms we use to conduct our daily lives online. The online services surveilling us, tech giants like Google and Facebook chief among them, have been abusing the power technology granted them and the trust we've placed in them, and we have allowed this abuse to go on for far too long. Roaring fans. I Like Tech Drawings from Reddit shares a testimonial on their take on Brave ads so far. I never click the ads, ever. But, and this is a big but, I see every ad. I know your name. The brand recognition is there. What's more is I'm superstitious not to close the ad for fear of the Brave algorithm not feeding me any more ads, lol. So your name is on my screen for a while. Having said that, if it's ever time for me to say, buy a mattress for example, I would likely go to that website since I know they must be doing okay since they've got the ad money to spend. I'm gonna go ahead and say that the Brave team has knocked it out of the park. This is gonna be the new web. That's a wrap for this week. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you would like to read the full stories whose headlines we cover on the podcast, be sure to read the accompanying Weekly Bat blog post. You can find that on batcommunity.org always, or if you're listening on YouTube, check the description box below the video for a link, and if you're listening on a podcast app or player, check the show notes.